Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got an amazing problem that tricks almost everyone. Most people confidently say the answer is 0, but guess what? That's completely wrong. We have 2 minus 2 times 2 divided by 2. Can you solve it? Just give it a try. Pause this video and once you are done, come back to verify your answer. Okay, let us solve it together. Here, the fraction part can be written as parentheses open 2 minus 2 times 2 parentheses close divided by 2. Now, according to order of operations, which is PEMDAS, where P is parentheses, E is exponents, M is multiplication, and D is division, from left to right, right? And A is addition, and S is subtraction, also from left to right. Remember, for multiplication and division, we have to go from left to right. So in this expressions, according to PEMDAS, we have to handle parentheses first. So here we have subtraction and multiplication. As multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, so 2 times 2, which equals 4, so it becomes 2 minus 4 divided by 2. Now 2 minus 4 equals negative 2. So we have expression negative 2 divided by 2. This gives us the negative 1. So the answer to the above expression is negative 1. We have bonus challenge for you. What is 7 minus 7 times 7 divided by 7? Do let me know your answer in the comments below. If you really enjoyed our video, do like and subscribe our channel Mathspire. Keep on learning!